हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं बीएल शर्मा, मैथ सब विल डिस्कस एग्जांपल्स 1, 2, 3 and all 6 questions of exercise 7.1 of chapter 9, that is triangles of class 9th NCERT mathematics. This is part 1. So for the first exam, that is SAS congruence rule, in two triangles, the two triangles are congruent if two sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to the two sides and the included angle of the other triangle. Two triangles congruent होंगे अगर उनमें कोई दो sides इक्वल हो और उनके जो इंक्लूडेड एंगल है, उनका इंस्क्राइब्ड एंगल है, जो उनके बीच का एंगल है, वो भी इक्वल होगा. तो and this is the first criteria, first rule of congruency, that is SAS. There are four rules: SAS, ASA, SSS and RHS. First rule is SAS, second rule is ASA, third rule of congruency is SSS, and fourth rule is RHS. We shall be discussing these all rules one by one, but for the exercise 7.1, we must know the two rules, SAS and ASA. We shall be discussing one by one. So here is the first example of your book. Example number 1. It is given in the figure 7.8. This is figure 7.8. OA is equal to OB. It is given that OA is equal to OB and OD is equal to OC. This is OD is equal to OC. जो sides equal है हम उनको same marks कर देते हैं. देखिए हमने यहाँ पे one line से cross किया OB को और OA को भी one line से cross किया, means OA is equal to OB and OD is equal to OC in this figure. And then we have to prove that triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC. This is the sign of congruency, and we read as triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC. In the first part, we have to prove it. And in the second part, we have to prove that AD is parallel to BC. So first of all, we have to write what is given here. That is also given in the question. Given in the figure, means in the triangle, in you can write here in triangle, in the figure, OA is equal to OB, it is given, and OD is equal to OC, it is given. It is given OA is equal to OB and OD is equal to OC. And we have to prove that triangle first, triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC, number 1, and 2, AD is parallel to BC. So here is the proof. So we write here proof. जो दोनों ट्राइंगल आपको कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव करने हैं उनको आप लिख लीजिए. सो हियर आई एम राइटिंग in triangle AOD and triangle BOC. See here, triangle AOD and triangle BOC. I have written here in triangle AOD and triangle BOC. OA is equal to OB that is given. Right hand side in the bracket, we write the reason why it is equal, because it is given. This is given. So OD is equal to OC. That is also given. OD is equal to OC. This is also given. And angle AOD is equal to angle BOC here. See here. Angle AOD is equal to angle BOC, because the two are vertically opposite angles. So we write in the bracket vertically opposite angles. तो देखिए इन दो ट्राइंगल में हमें एक ये साइड मिला, एक ये साइड मिला, और एक ये दोनों के बीच का एंगल हमें को मिला, ये वाला. दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू दिस एंगल. Therefore we can write, therefore triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC by which rule? Side angle side rule. And this is proved first part. स्टूडेंट लिखते वक्त बड़ी सावधानी करनी पड़ेगी. देखिए हाउ टू राइट, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सी हियर एओडी, ए दिस इज वन क्रॉस एंड एंगल, देन डबल क्रॉस. एओडी यहां से स्टार्ट हुए ए से, ये क्रॉस देखा हमने. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ट्रिक हियर. हाउ टू राइट एओ vertical opposite angle, then double cross. Similarly, you have to write here one cross, vertical opposite angle, and double cross. ट्राइंगल BOC. आप इसको अदर वे में नहीं लिख सकते हो. वी हैव टू राइट दैट ट्राइंगल AOD is congruent to triangle BOC, and we have proved the first part. And for the second part now, we have to prove that this side means that this AD is parallel to BC. Students, we know that there are three ways to prove two lines parallel. We have seen in chapter number 6 that when a transversal intersects or join two lines, and number 1, if corresponding angles are equal, then the two lines will be parallel. If alternate interior angles are equal, then the lines will be parallel. Or if the sum of two angles on the same side of a transversal are equal, sorry, sum is 180 degree, means co-interior angle sum is 180 degree, then the two lines are parallel. Here by CPCT, here we have to write, again we have to write here further. Now by CPCT, angle ADO, see here, first, third, second, ADO. When two triangles are congruent, then we write, we apply CPCT. CPCT means corresponding parts are equal. In a triangle, there are 6 corresponding parts, 3 sides, and 3 angles. So that is equal to, see here, first ADO. Similarly, we have to write first, third, second, angle BCO, that is by CPCT. The meaning of CPCT is corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. CPCT अप्लाई करने के लिए पहले हमें दो ट्राइंगल्स को congruent प्रूव करना जरूरी होता है. But here you will see that these two angles are, you will see here that these two angles are, ADO means this angle is equal to BCO, this angle. ये दोनों एंगल alternate angles हैं. देखिएगा, ये आपका दो लाइंस है CB and AD, और ये ट्रांसवर्सल है. BC is transversal, and this transversal is joining the two lines CB, or you can say BC and AD. When alternate angles are equal, then the two lines are parallel. So here we can write, therefore, these are alternate interior angles and equal. Therefore, we can say that line AD is parallel to base A, and this is proved. सेकेंड पार्ट, क्योंकि यहां पे ये एंगल सी और डी दोनों इक्वल है, एडीओ और बीसीओ, और ये ऑल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स है, सी डी ट्रांसवर्सल है। जब इंटीरियर ऑल्टरनेट एंगल्स इक्वल होते हैं तो लाइंस पैरेलल होती है। दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस एग्जांपल नंबर 1। Example number 2. AB is a line segment and line L is its perpendicular bisector. AB is a line segment and this line L is perpendicular bisector of AB. Perpendicular bisector means this line L is passing through the midpoint of AB. Bisect means divide into two equal part. Bisect का meaning होता है two equal part में divide करना. If a point P lies on the line L, show that P is equidistant from A and B. So here we have to write first what is given. So what is given? AB is a line segment. Equation में given है and a line L is perpendicular bisector of the line segment AB. Means, what do you mean by this? It means, or we can say that C is the midpoint of base A and this angle ACP is equal to angle, instead of writing this, we can write in a different way, and the line L is perpendicular of AB, perpendicular to AB. ये जो एंगल है देखिए यहाँ पे AC और BC इक्वल है, और ये जो एंगल है ये 90 और ये भी 90 है। यहाँ पे दो means words are perpendicular and bisector. Perpendicular means making 90 degree. Bisector means passing through the midpoint. Yes. And now we have to prove and P is a point on the line L. देखिए ये जो आपका लाइन L है इस पे ये P कोई पॉइंट है। तो प्रूव, क्या प्रूव करना, देखिए दैट P is equidistant. Equidistant means equal distance पे है from A and B. Means we have to prove that AP is equal to BP. P A पॉइंट से और B पॉइंट से इक्वल डिस्टेंस पे है। Equidistant means equal distance, and we have to prove that AP is equal to BP. So here is the proof. In triangle ACP and triangle BCP, देखिए आपको नजर आ रहे होंगे, one triangle is triangle ACP. This triangle is triangle ACP and the other triangle is triangle BCP. ये दोनों ट्राइंगल को हम पहले कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव करेंगे और बाय सीपीसीटी से देन वी कैन राइट एपी इज इक्वल टू बीपी. सो व्हाट इज गिवन फर्स्ट? AC is equal to BC. This is given. This is given. And angle ACP is equal to angle BCP each 90 degree, and this is also given. Perpendicular means making 90 degree, ये भी हमें दे रखा है. And third point is and PC is PC. This side is common. देखिए ये PC इस ट्राइंगल का भी है, ACPB का भी साइड है, और ये PC BCP ट्राइंगल का भी मींस कॉमन साइड है. नाउ यू विल सी, देखिए two sides means one side AC is equal to BC, PC is equal to PC, and this angle included angle is angle ACP is equal to angle BCP. So therefore we can say that triangle ACP is congruent to triangle BCP. By which rule? By side angle side criteria or by side angle side congruence rule. ये दो ट्राइंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो गए. देखिए कौन सा? ट्राइंगल ACP and triangle BCP by the rule SAS, side angle side means two sides and included angle. So and now by therefore thus by CPCT, APC, AP, first and third, that is BP, that is first and third, and this is proved. यही हमें प्रूव करना था. देखिए टू प्रूव AP is equal to BP, and here we have proved AP is equal to BP. So that's all for example number 2. And now we come to the congruency rule ASA, two angles and included side. If two triangles are congruent, if two angles and the included side of one triangle are equal to two angles and the included side of the other triangle. Included side बहुत जरूरी है. यहाँ पे जो दो एंगल्स हो उनके बीच वाला साइड, कोई सा भी साइड नहीं, it should be the included side. Then the two triangles will be congruent. So example number 3 is now on your screen. Line segment AB is parallel to another line segment CD. Means ये line segment AB और ये CD दोनों parallel है. O is the midpoint of AD. This O is the midpoint of means AD means AO is equal to DO. And we have to prove that that the two triangles, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle BOC, and we also have to prove that O is the midpoint of BC. स्टूडेंट जब आपको कोई एंगल्स या साइड इक्वल प्रूव करना हो तो उसमें आप ये देखिएगा कि सीपीसीटी अप्लाई होता है. corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal, but CPCT अप्लाई होने के लिए दो ट्राइंगल्स का congruent होना जरूरी है. So here we write what is given here. So first of all we write here given. Here in this figure AB is parallel to CD. Therefore, or when two sides are parallel, two lines are parallel, this AB is parallel to CDC here. This line BC is transversal because this BC is joining the two sides. AB और CD दो लाइन पैरेलल है, CD इन दोनों लाइन को ज्वाइन करती है, and this AD also joins the two lines. So AD भी ट्रांसवर्सल है और CD भी ट्रांसवर्सल है. देखिए, AD is transversal because this is joining the two lines CD and AB. It is also given that the two lines AB and CD are parallel to each other. So we can say that angle A will be equal to D, or we can say angle BAO is equal to angle CDO. The reason is alternate interior angles. When two lines are parallel, then corresponding angles are equal, then alternate interior angles are equal, and the sum of two consecutive angles on the same side of transversal is 180 degree, means co-interior angles is 180 degree. But here we have to take only this only. Okay. Now, to prove, and it is also given that O is the midpoint of AD. O है, ये जो point O है, AD का midpoint है, means we can write that AO is equal to DO. This is also given. To prove, number one, it is already written here. Triangle AOB is congruent to triangle DOC. Triangle AOB to prove triangle AOB is congruent to triangle DOC. यहां से कुछ नहीं करना, देखो इट इज ऑलरेडी रिटन, पहले से ही क्वेश्चन में ये रिटन है कि हमें ये प्रूव करना, नंबर वन. एंड नंबर टू, O is the midpoint. O is also the midpoint of BC. O is also the midpoint of BC, means we have to prove that BO is equal to CO. Proof यहां से शुरू होता, देखिए. In triangle AOB and ट्राइंगल DOC, जो ट्राइंगल हमें प्रूव करना है वही ट्राइंगल लेते हैं. वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट ट्राइंगल AOB इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ट्राइंगल DOC. देखिए, एंगल A is equal to angle D. It is, these are alternate angles. See here, angle A is equal to angle D. These are alternate इंटीरियर एंगल्स. देखिए रहा, एंगल BAO इज इक्वल टू एंगल CDO. AO is equal to DO. This is also given. AO is equal to DO. It is given. And angle AOB is equal to angle DOC. You know why? You will see here that this angle will be equal to this angle. These are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, see here, एक हमें ये एंगल मिला, एंगल D और एंगल A इक्वल है, एंगल AOB एंड एंगल DOC इक्वल है, और एक इंक्लूडेड साइड, बीच वाला साइड भी इक्वल है. दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस. देयरफॉर वी कैन राइट Therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle DOC. By which rule? By angle side angle rule. Angle side angle rule. Triangle AOB is congruent to triangle DOC. लिखते कैसे देखिए, एंगल स्टार्ट किया, फिर वन क्रॉस, फिर डबल एंगल. देखिए ये वाला एंगल स्टार्ट किया, वन क्रॉस एंड डबल एंगल. AOB is congruent to triangle DOC, and we have proved the first part. So we can write here proved part first. Further, now by simplicity, when two triangles are congruent, corresponding parts are equal. We have to prove BO is equal to CO. BO, see here, BO means this third and second. Third, second, BO. And here third, second, that is CO. These are corresponding parts. So proved second part. So that's all for this example number 3. Now we will start exercise 7.1. This is NCERT exercise 7.1, class 9, chapter 9, that is triangles. And this is question number 1 on your screen. In the quadrilateral ABCD, this is quadrilateral ACBD. Quadrilateral ACBD, A, C, B, and D. It is given that AC is equal to AD and AB bisects angle A. Bisects means divide into two equal parts. And then we have to prove that show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. See here, given in the figure, AC is equal to AD. Yes, AC is equal to AD, number 1. And AB bisects angle A. AB bisect angle A means this angle is equal to this angle. So we can say angle BAC is equal to angle BAB. This line AB bisects angle A. ये जो आपका एंगल है ये पूरा, ये उसको AB bisect करता है. Bisect means divide into two equal part. And to prove triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD, number 1. Proof. जो ही आपको ट्राइंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव करना हो वही ट्राइंगल लेंगे. देखिए, दैट इज वाई इन ट्राइंगल ABC and triangle AB. AC is equal to AD. This is given. AC is equal to AD. This is given, or I already have written here AC is equal to AD given. Angle BAC is equal to angle DAB. that is also given. Angle BAC, that is given. Angle BAD. Angle BAC is equal to angle DAB, it is given. And AB is equal to AB. You know why? Because this side is common. This side is common. देखिए तीन चीज हमें मिल चुकी है हमारे पास. फर्स्ट क्राइटेरिया था एस ए एस साइड एंगल साइड, एंड नाउ सेकंड क्राइटेरिया इज first criteria was SAS. Second criteria is ASA. तो देखिए इस ट्राइंगल में one side AC included angle BAC, and this is the second side. So further we can write, therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD by the rule SAS, and this is proof. यही हमें प्रूव करना था कि ये कौन से रूल से प्रूव हुआ. बाय द रूल साइड एंगल साइड, राइट. दिस इज साइड एंगल एंड साइड. And further, second question, what can you say about BC and BD? So by simplicity, this is BC means second, third, and BD that is also second, third. BC और BD दोनों equal होंगे. So what can we say about BC and BD? That BC and BD will be equal. So that is the answer of this question, and that's all for question number 1 of exercise 7.1. Question number 2 of exercise 7.1. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD is equal to BC. ABCD is a quadrilateral, and it is given that AD is equal to BC, means AD is equal to BC. It is also given that angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. Then we have to prove that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. Then BD is equal to AC, and then again we have to prove that angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. स्टूडेंट जब साइड इक्वल करना हो या एंगल इक्वल करना हो तो हम ये कोशिश करते हैं कि दिस कैन बी प्रूव्ड बाय सीपीसीटी. सीपीसीटी के लिए दो ट्राइंगल्स का कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव होना जरूरी है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इन क्वेश्चन में पहले हम ये प्रूव करेंगे दैट ट्राइंगल एबीडी इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ट्राइंगल बीएसी. So first of all, we have to write what is given here. Given in triangle C in the figure, AD is equal to BC. This AD is equal to this BC. Number 1. Also given angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. BAB is equal to angle CAB. And to prove it is already written here. First part is, second part is, and third part is. ये आप लिख लीजिए. To prove first triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. Number 2, BD is equal to AC. And number 3, angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. ये क्वेश्चन में ही गिवन है, हमने इसमें कोई एक्स्ट्रा नहीं लिखा है. नाउ प्रूफ. जो ट्राइंगल हमें कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव करना है, जनरली उन्हीं को हम लेते हैं. सो नाउ राइट, in triangle ABD and triangle BAC. देखिए, this triangle is triangle ABD. एक ट्राइंगल ये लिया, and other triangle is triangle BAC. This triangle is triangle BAC. देखिए, it is already given that BAD is equal to BC. It is given. AD is equal to BC. It is given. Means AD is equal to BC given. Number 2, angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. It is also given. Angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. It is given. Means this angle is equal to this angle. लेकिन ट्राइंगल को कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव करने के लिए हमें 3 मींस कंपोनेंट की जरूरत पड़ेगी. यहाँ पे हमने वन साइड और वन, देखिए ये वन साइड है और ये वन एंगल है. थर्ड में देखिए AB is या AB is equal to AB. This side is common in both the triangles. ये दोनों ट्राइंगल्स में ये कॉमन है. Therefore we can write, therefore triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC by the rule. By which rule? Side angle side. See here, ABD ये साइड AB, ये एंगल B और BC. and BAC, see here, BAC, AB, BC and included angle triangle ABD, AD, angle A and AB. So by the rule side angle side, the two triangles are congruent, and this is proved first part. Further, by CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. BD is equal to, see here, BD second third, and that is AC, that is also second third. BD is equal to AC. And also by CPCT, angle ABD, first, second, third, that will be first, second, third, that will be angle BAC. And this is proved both the parts, second part and third part. We have proved BD is equal to AC. BD is equal to AC. We also have proved angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. Angle ABD is equal to angle BAC by CPCT, because we already have proved that the two triangles ABD and BAC are congruent to each other. So that's all for this question number 2. Question number 3, exercise 7.1. AD and BC are equal perpendiculars to a line, segment AB, that is given in this diagram. Show that CD bisects AB. Bisect means divide into two equal parts. So what is given? First of all, we write here what is given. In the figure, perpendiculars. AD is equal to BC. देखिए ये AD is equal to BC, it is given. Angle B is equal to angle A, each 90 degree. Why it is 90 degree? Because it is given. ये जो perpendiculars है equal भी है. Perpendicular means making 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. And now we have to. This is given, and to prove or to show that CD bisects AB. CD bisects AB. Bisect means divide into two equal parts, or CD passes through the midpoint of AB, और ये प्रूव करना है कि ये जो CD है AB को बाइसेक्ट करता है. मीन्स हमें ये प्रूव करना है कि ये जो CD है AB के मिड पॉइंट से पास होता है. और इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि हमें ये प्रूव करना है दैट AO इज इक्वल टू BO. दिस इज टू बी प्रूव. ये हमें प्रूव करना है. देखिए यहाँ पे साइड प्रूव इक्वल प्रूव करनी है. टू प्रूव द एंगल्स और साइड इक्वल वी यूज सीपीसीटी. सीपीसीटी के लिए दो ट्राइंगल्स का कॉन्ग्रुएंट होना जरूरी है. तो यहाँ पे हम दो ट्राइंगल्स ले रहे हैं. देखिए, सो वी कैन राइट हियर प्रूफ. इन ट्राइंगल AOD and ट्राइंगल POC. देखिए ये ट्राइंगल AOD, ट्राइंगल AOD and triangle BOC. Triangle BOC. What is given? First we write. It is given BC AD is equal to BC. It is given. It is also given angle A is equal to angle B. That is given. This is H 90 degree. This is also given. And we can go that side. Angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Can you guess how? This angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. ये reason है इनका. These are vertically opposite angles. देखिए, students, we know that when two angles of triangles are equal, then third angle will also be equal because of angle sum property. हम जानते हैं जब दो एंगल इक्वल होते हैं किसी दो ट्राइंगल्स के, तो थर्ड एंगल भी इक्वल हो जाता है. क्योंकि sum of all three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, we can say the third angle D will be equal to the third angle C. This angle will be equal to this angle because angle B90, angle A90, angle angle AOD और angle BOC इक्वल है, तो ये थर्ड एंगल तीसरा एंगल भी इक्वल होगा. Now you can say, therefore, in the two triangles, now we can say angle A is equal to angle B, AD is equal to BC, and angle D is equal to angle C. ये included side है, एंगल A और एंगल B के बीच में AD, एंगल B और एंगल C का included side BC. Therefore we can write, therefore triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC by the rule ASA, angle side angle. And we know that when two triangles are congruent, the corresponding sides means parts are equal. Thus, by CPCT, yes, we can say AO. Right here, AO is equal to BO. This is proved. यही हमें प्रूव करना था कि AO is equal to BO, means O is the midpoint of AB, or CD bisects AB. CD AB के मिड पॉइंट से पास होता है. स्टूडेंट्स, जब ये कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्राइंगल्स को कोरेस्पॉन्ड लिखते हैं तो इसमें बहुत सावधानी रखनी पड़ती है. हाउ टू राइट AOD एंड BOC. देखिए क्या किया, 90 डिग्री AOD, A 90 डिग्री, then vertical opposite angle, then the third angle. We go like this. इस ट्राइंगल में वैसे ही जाना पड़ेगा, 90 डिग्री, then vertical opposite angles, and then the third angle, BOC. And after proving the two triangles congruent, we can use CPCT and we can prove that the corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. That is why AO is equal to BO, and that's all for this question. Question number 4. L and M are two parallel lines intersected by another pair of parallel lines P and Q. See the figure 7.19. This is question of exercise 7.1. Show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. Yes. L और M दो parallel lines है. देखिए, it means what is given, this line and these two lines are parallel lines. And also this P line and Q line, these are also parallel lines. It is given. Again, read the question. L and M are two parallel lines. L और M दो parallel lines हैं. और ये दोनों पैरेलल लाइंस दो दूसरे पैरेलल लाइंस जो P और Q है इनसे इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं. राइट? यस. And now we have to prove what is given. I am writing first here. Line L is parallel to M, number 1, and line P is parallel to Q. To prove, triangle ABC in this figure is congruent to triangle CD. We have to prove that triangle ABC, this is congruent to triangle CDA. Yes. So here is the proof. In triangle ABC and triangle CD, देखिएगा. AB since L is parallel to M and a transversal AC joins them. देखिए, ये L और ये M दोनों लाइन पैरेलल है, इट इज गिवन, एंड दिस AC joins them. So AC is what? AC is transversal. We know when a line is intersected, two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, then means alternate angles are equal. So we can say that this angle will be equal to this angle. These are alternate angles. So we can say, therefore, angle BCA is equal to angle BAC. These are alternate interior angles. Further, P is parallel to Q. It is given. It is given that line P is parallel to Q, means this line P is parallel to Q. And AC joins them. ये P और Q को भी join करता है. And a transversal AC joins them. Therefore, this angle is equal to this angle. ये भी alternate angle हुए. Therefore, angle BAC is equal to angle DCA. These are also alternate interior angles. And you see here, AC is equal to AC, this side is common. ये जो साइड है आपका, ये दोनों में ही कॉमन है. देखिए कैसे हुआ, देखिए एंगल्स इन ट्राइंगल एबीसी. एबीसी में एंगल AC और एंगल C किसके इक्वल है? एंगल CAC एंड एंगल CAD की. दो देखिए, मतलब ये दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू दिस एंगल, this angle is equal to this angle, and this side is common. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA by the rule angle side angle, and hence or thus proved. ये हमने प्रूव किया that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. लिखते वक्त बहुत ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा, डबल एंगल, दिस कॉमन साइड, सिंगल एंगल हियर. So this is double angle, common side, single angle here. So this is very important to write when we write in this form. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. That's all for this question number 4. Question number 5. Line L is the bisector of an angle A, and B is any point on L. BP and BQ are perpendiculars from B to the arms of angle A. Show that triangle ABC APB is congruent to triangle AQB. And second part, BP is equal to BQ, or we can say B is equidistant, means at an equal distance from the arms of angle A. So what is given here, we write first. देखिए ये क्वेश्चन मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. ये एक एंगल A बना रखा है इन्होंने. मैं ये बना देता हूँ आपका एक छोटा सा एंगल. देखिए इस तरह से, ये एक एंगल A है, ये एंगल A है. ये इसके दो आर्म्स हैं, और यहां से एक लाइन बाइसेक्ट करती है, और दिस लाइन इज L हियर, दिस लाइन इज L हियर. मींस दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू this angle, or we can say this angle is equal to this angle. So what is given here? In the figure, angle PAL, sorry, PAB is equal to angle QAB. ये जो एंगल है और ये इक्वल है, नंबर वन. नंबर टू, when you this point is A, this point is B, and you draw the perpendicular here, and this is also perpendicular, and angle AQB is equal to 90 degree. Angle APB is also 90 degree. Perpendicular means when you draw perpendicular from B to this arm, this BP is perpendicular. ये B से इस आर्म पे परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस है BP. B से इस आर्म पे परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करेंगे तो दिस एंगल इज 90, दिस एंगल इज आल्सो 90 degree. This is given. To show first triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB, and number two, we also have to see that BP is equal to BQ. This is given in the question. हमें इसमें एक्स्ट्रा कुछ लिखना ही नहीं. ओके, अब इन दोनों को कैसे हम प्रूव करें कि ये दो ट्राइंगल है वो कॉन्ग्रुएंट है. देखिए मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करता हूं. प्रूफ. In triangle APB and triangle AQB, APB and triangle AQB, ये दो ट्राइंगल है, this one and this one. Angle PAB is equal to given angle QAB. It is given. ये गिवन है क्योंकि ये बाइसेक्टर है. बाइसेक्ट मींस डिवाइड इनटू टू इक्वल पार्ट, मींस दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू दिस एंगल. AB is equal to AB. This is common. This side is common. Angle QP is equal to angle Q. This is each 90 degree, and this is also given. I told you that in a triangle, when two angles are, means two triangles, if two angles are equal, then third angles will also be equal. तो ये जो एंगल आपका बच गया, ये वाला, ये दोनों एंगल भी इक्वल होंगे. क्यों? this 90, this angle is equal to this angle, so third angle, so we can write here, that is why the third angle ABQ is equal to the third angle ABP. So we can say here now, देखिए अगर मैं इधर देखूं तो ये एंगल इसके इक्वल, ये एंगल इसके इक्वल, और ये साइड कॉमन. दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू दिस एंगल. आई एम राइटिंग अगेन. पहले इसको मैं रब करता हूं, फिर बाद में आपको फिर से बताता हूं. देखिएगा क्या किया इस ट्रायंगल में. देखिए सी हियर, this angle is equal to this angle, and this side is AB is common, and this angle is equal to this angle. So angle side angle in triangle APB and angle side angle in triangle AQB or ABP. Therefore, you can write now, therefore, triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB by the rule ASA. By CPCT, Now by CPCT, BP is equal to, see, PP, third, second, that is BQ, that is third, second, that is, and hence prove. दोनों पार्ट हमने प्रूव कर दिए हैं. We already have proved that triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB. This triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB, and BP is equal to BQ. That's all for this question number 5. Question number 6. Students, all questions are very important. In figure 7.1, this is figure 7.1, AC is equal to AE, means it is already given, AC is equal to AE, and AB is equal to AD. AB is equal to AD, it is given, and AC is equal to AE, it is also given. It is also given that angle BAD is equal to angle EAC. So we can write here, given AB is equal to AD, AC is equal to A, and angle BAD is equal to angle EAC, means this angle is equal to this angle. Let this angle is angle number 1 and this is angle number 2, or angle number 1 is equal to angle number 2. इन ट्राइंगल BAD, देखिए ये जो ट्राइंगल हमें BC और DE चाहिए, देखिए BC चाहिए तो BC के लिए हमें ट्राइंगल लेना पड़ेगा BAC, because we have to prove here BC is equal to DE. by CPCT से प्रूव करेंगे, लेकिन CPCT के लिए ये ट्राइंगल जो होगा उसमें BC साइड आना चाहिए. तो BC के लिए हमें ट्राइंगल लेना पड़ेगा ABC, एंड DE, दिस इज DE. DE के लिए हमें ट्राइंगल लेना पड़ेगा ADE. So to prove that base A is equal to D, proof. In triangle BAC and triangle DAE, फिर से देखिए कौन सा साइड है, BAC and triangle DAE. AC AB is equal to AD given. This AB is equal to AD given. And AC is equal to AE. This is also given. Angle BAD, sorry, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 also given. इसमें क्या करते हैं कि ये एक एंगल हम यहां पे ये एंगल 3 लेते हैं, देखिए ये वाला 3, एडिंग एंगल नंबर 3 बोथ साइड, दोनों तरफ आप इसको ऐड कर दीजिएगा, देखिएगा. सो एंगल नंबर 1 is equal to angle number 2, it is given, and we can add both side, angle number 3, angle number 3 this side, angle number 3 this side. When we add angle 1 plus 3, see here, angle 1 plus 3, angle 1 plus 3, we can write angle BAC. And angle 2 plus 3, this angle is 2, this angle is 3, so we can write angle DAE, angle EA. तो देखिए आपको इन दोनों ट्राइंगल्स में बीएसी और डीए में क्या मिला। देखिए सी ए बी इज इक्वल टू एडी, वी कैन राइट लाइक दिस, बी ए सी and other is DA. AAE. AB is equal to AD. This AB is equal to AD. AC is equal to AE, and angle BAC is equal to angle DA. Right? So therefore, triangle BAC is congruent to triangle DAE by side rule, and thus by simplicity we can write BC is equal to DE. See, BC is first third and DE is first third. यही हमें प्रूव करना था, लेकिन उसके पहले हमें ये भी प्रूव करना पड़ेगा that triangle BAC is congruent to triangle DA. That's all for this question number 6. Question number 7. AB is a line segment and P is its midpoint. P is midpoints, means we can say what is given here. Read the question carefully. Given AP is equal to BP, because it is given that P is midpoint of line segment AB. Also given angle BAD is equal to angle ABE. BAD, let this angle is angle number 1, and ABE, sorry, EPA is equal to angle DPB. Angle number 1, yes, see here, angle EPA is equal to angle DPB. Angle EPA, that is angle number 2. Angle DPB, that is angle number 1. एंगल्स का नंबरिंग करने से ये हमें आसानी से हम इसको आइडेंटिफाई कर पाते। इट इज ऑल्सो गिवन दैट एंगल ए मीन्स BAD, angle BAD is equal to angle ABE. BAD means angle A is equal to angle B, or we can say let this angle is angle number 3, or this is angle number 4. This angle number is 3 and this is angle number 4. This equal to this. But we have to prove that we have to prove that triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP. DAP, ये एंगल हमें कंप्लीट चाहिए, हमें चाहिए एंगल APD, because we have to take the triangle DAP here. हमें ट्राइंगल DAP लेना पड़ेगा, तो DAP में ये एंगल आना चाहिए, ये इंक्लूड हमें करना पड़ेगा. So now we can write here. See here, proof. In triangle DAP and triangle ABP, देख पा रहे हैं आप? DAP, this triangle is DAP, DAP and EBP, ये दो ट्राइंगल हमें ले रहे हैं, देखिए इसमें. So in this we can say angle number 3 is equal to angle number 4. It is given. This is 1 point. Angle number 2 is equal to angle number 1. So what we do, add. Now I'm writing one more angle here. This angle is angle number 5. Adding angle number 5 दोनों तरफ ऐड कर दें. So angle number 2 is equal to angle number 1. Adding angle number 5 this side, angle number 5 this side, we find here that it is angle 2 plus 5, that is angle APD. And angle number 2 plus 5, that is angle APD. Angle number 1 plus 5 means angle BPE, that is angle BP. And it is given AP is equal to BP given. देखिए, अब हमने दो ट्रायंगल हमने कंसीडर किए यहाँ पे. मैं इसका फिर से अलग से एक सेपरेट डायग्राम बनाता हूं. दिस इज APD, that is BPE. Angle A is equal to angle B given, and we have proved that angle APD is equal to angle BPE, and we know AP is equal to BP. See here, AP is equal to BP, angle 3 is equal to angle 4, means angle A is equal to angle B, or we can write, so I'm writing here further, angle A is equal to angle B, AP is equal to BP, angle APD is equal to angle BPE. Therefore, the triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP by the rule angle side angle. First part is proved. By CPCT, we can write AD is equal to B. This is AD second first and BE second first, and it is proved. दोनों पार्ट आपके यहाँ पे प्रूव हो चुके हैं. तो वी हैव टू, देखिए इसमें करना क्या था, कुछ भी नहीं करना था इस क्वेश्चन में. ये दो ट्राइंगल AP और BP इक्वल दे रखा है, एंगल A और एंगल B भी दे रखा है. आपको तो केवल एंगल 2 में एंगल 5 ऐड करना है, एंगल 1 में भी एंगल 5 ऐड करना है, और इतना सा करना है कि एंगल APD is equal to angle BPA. Angle APD is equal to angle BPE. So thus we can prove that the two triangles are congruent by the rule ASA. And by CPCT, you can find out AD is equal to BE. So that's all for this question. Question number 8, very good question on your screen. In the right triangle ABC, right angle at C, M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB. एक राइट ट्राइंगल है, देखिए A से B, ट्राइंगल A B C एक ट्राइंगल है, और ये राइट एंगल एट C है, मींस वी कैन से दैट दिस एंगल इज 90 डिग्री. C पे 90 डिग्री है, और ये इस क्वेश्चन में गिवन है. देखिएगा, राइट एंगल एट C. The side just opposite to 90 degrees hypotenuse. So since in this triangle ABC, C is 90 degree, so AB is hypotenuse. 90 डिग्री के किसी ट्राइंगल में 90 डिग्री के सामने वाला साइड हाइपोटेन्यूज होता है, और ये जो पॉइंट M है वो मिड पॉइंट है, मीन्स ए एम इज इक्वल टू बी एम है, इट इज गिवन। अब क्या किया इसको हमने, नाउ सी इज जॉइंड, ये सी को एम पॉइंट से हमने ज्वाइन किया और इसको और प्रोड्यूस किया, यहां तक देखिए, यहां तक, सच दैट डीएम इज इक्वल टू सी एम, मीन्स दिस इक्वल टू दिस, ये दोनों इक्वल है। मीन्स क्या गिवन है, एंगल सी 90 डिग्री, ए एम इज इक्वल टू बी एम एंड सी एम इज इक्वल टू डी एम। और बी पॉइंट से फिर हमने बी पॉइंट को ज्वाइन किया और इस तरह से एक ये फिगर हमें मिला है। अब इसमें क्या प्रूव करना है, फर्स्ट पार्ट इज ट्राइंगल ए एम सी इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ट्राइंगल बी एम डी, ए एम सी इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ट्राइंगल बी एम डी, ये हमें प्रूव करना है। देखिए, सो फर्स्ट वी राइट व्हाट इज गिवन हियर, angle ACB is 90 degree. AM is equal to BM, it is given. And it is also given that CM is equal to DM. First part to prove, first part देखिए कैसे प्रूव करते हैं, हमें वन बाय वन पार्ट हम प्रूव करेंगे। टू प्रूव ट्राइंगल AMC is congruent to triangle BM। ये ट्राइंगल हमने इधर ये ट्राइंगल ले लिया है, वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट ट्राइंगल AMC इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ट्राइंगल BMD। देखिएगा, AM is equal to BM given, DM is equal to CM given, and this is vertically opposite angle है। देखिए प्रूफ हियर, in triangle AMC and triangle PM, AM is equal to BM, this is given, CM is equal to DM, this is also given, and angle AMC is equal to angle BMD. You know why? These are vertically opposite angles। ये देखिए, ये जो एंगल है और इसके इक्वल हो गया है, तो हमें मिल गया साइड एंगल साइड, साइड एंगल साइड। सो देयरफॉर ट्राइंगल AMC is congruent to triangle BMD by the rule SAS, and this is proved first part। इस तरह से हमने इन दोनों ट्राइंगल को AMC and BMD congruent to कर दिया, that is AMC is congruent to triangle BMD। We have done this first part। Now we have to prove that angle DBC is 90 degree। We have to prove that this triangle DBC is 90 degree। We know that this angle is already 90 degree और हमें ये प्रूव करना है कि DBC भी 90 डिग्री है। So further, now by CPCT, angle CAM is equal to angle CAM by CPCT, third, first, second, third, DBM, BM means this angle इज इक्वल टू दिस एंगल। आप देखेंगे कि ऑल्टरनेट एंगल से, देखिए ये जो लाइन है ए सी और बी डी, इस लाइन को ये ज्वाइन करती है और ये ऑल्टरनेट एंगल्स इक्वल हो गए हैं। और जैसे ही व्हेन अ ट्रांसवर्सल जॉइन टू लाइंस एंड ऑल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स आर इक्वल, द टू लाइंस आर पैरेलल। So we can say that these are alternate interior angles। ये इंटीरियर एंगल्स हैं और इक्वल भी हैं। That is why we can say that AB is, sorry, so AC is parallel to DB। ये जो दो लाइन है, ये AC और ये DB, ये पैरेलल लाइन होंगी। We know that when a transversal intersects or join two lines and alternate and interior angles are equal, then the two lines are parallel। अब जब ये दो लाइन पैरेलल होगी तो देखिए ये एंगल DBC और एंगल ABC को इंटीरियर एंगल हो गए। नाउ therefore angle ABC plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degree। The reason is co interior angles। Co-interior angles means that two angles on the same side of transversal। ये एंगल ACB और एंगल DBC, इन दोनों एंगल का सम 180 होगा। एंगल ACB is already given 90 degree, so angle DBC plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree। So angle DBC is equal to 180 minus 90, that is 90 degree। This is proved second part। ये हमने इसका सेकंड पार्ट प्रूव कर दिया है। हमें ये प्रूव करना था कि ये जो एंगल है ये 90 डिग्री है। आपको डिफरेंट डिफरेंट फिगर्स नहीं बनाने की जरूरत है। मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए ये डिफरेंट डिफरेंट फिगर्स यहाँ पे कॉपी किया हुआ है। Thus we have done, we have proved the second part। What was the second part here? That DBC is equal to right angle, means this angle is 90। We have proved that a triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMT। And now we have to prove the third part, triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB। तो थर्ड पार्ट यहां पे देख लेते हैं। नाउ in triangle DBC and triangle ACB, this triangle is DBC and this triangle is ACB। We have proved that this angle is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree। Okay, I'll have to remove some part of it। मैं इसका कुछ पार्ट रिमूव कर देता हूं यहां से। Okay, see here, in triangle third DBC एंड ट्राइंगल ACB, ये हम थर्ड पार्ट के लिए कर रहे हैं। देखिएगा AB is equal to AC, you know why? Because since triangle AMC is congruent to triangle PMD. So by CPCT, AC is equal to DB. Sorry, I have written wrong here. AC is equal to DB. This equal to this. यह फर्स्ट पार्ट में प्रूव कर चुके थे. देखिए ट्राइंगल AMC that is BMD और सॉरी PMD. तो 22 यहीं से फर्स्ट पार्ट से हमने लिया है इसको कि ये AC और DB इक्वल है. एंगल DBC is equal to एंगल ACB. इस 90 हमने सेकंड पार्ट में प्रूव कर रखा है. देखिए this angle, this is 90 degree given, or we have proved in third part that this 90 and this is also 90. See here, एंगल ACB पहले से 90 given है और हमने थर्ड पार्ट में प्रूव की, सेकंड पार्ट में प्रूव किया था that angle DBC is a right angle. And third part, BC is equal to BC, that is common. Therefore, I'll have to remove. Therefore, now we can say, therefore, triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB by SAS criteria, and this is proved which part? थर्ड पार्ट. ये कॉमन है. देखिए ये दोनों ट्राइंगल में DB AC के इक्वल है, BC दोनों में कॉमन है. एंगल DBC 90 डिग्री और हियर एंगल ACB इज आल्सो 90 डिग्री है. तो हमने इसको थर्ड पार्ट को भी हमने प्रूव कर दिया है. Now we have to prove that CM is half of AB. CM is half of AB. ये फोर्थ पार्ट कैसे प्रूव करें? देखिए फिर यहां से रिजल्ट निकालेंगे. Now by further, अब हम फोर्थ पार्ट प्रूव करेंगे by CPCT. By CPCT, we can write AB is equal to DC. DC is equal to AB. Since the triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB, therefore DC first third is equal to AB. Yes. DC is equal to AB, but we know that M is midpoint of CD. That is why we can say that DC is half of DC upon 2, half of DC is equal to CM. And DC का half CM के इक्वल होगा. So divide this by 2 and this by 2 here. दोनों तरफ हम 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे. तो DC by 2 को हम लिख देंगे CM and that is right hand side is AB by 2. Since DC is equal to AB by CPCT, divide both side by 2. DC को भी 2 से डिवाइड किया, AB को भी 2 से डिवाइड किया. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड in place of DC upon 2 we can write CM. So CM is equal to right hand side AB upon 2 and this is to be proved. यही प्रूव करना हमें. CM is equal to half of AB. So this is proved fourth part. So that's all for this question and for this exercise 7.1. Thank you.